Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use Colossyan to create a video using AI by turning files and text into a video. Now I can upload documents, but instead I'm going to add text and describe the scene that I want. And that's the scene taken from a YouTube video that I created. And I wanted it summarized. And notice here, I got Gemini to add the script for me instead of doing it on my own. Notice on the right, you've got the time, how long you want it to be. I can have, notice, interactive options. I can make my video more engaging by adding interactive elements, include branching paths or multiple choice questions to let viewers create their own journey or test their knowledge. I can add quizzes or the branching next stage. Here I select a look and feel for my video. Notice these are also presenters that I can use, or I can use my own cloned person with my voice or use the voice available. I can also minimize, if I want, the size of the avatars. I think I'm going to go for this one. Seems nice. And notice this is what the template it shows you. You can also change the colors by clicking on them. And you can add, there's the file picker. You can add your own colors. I'm going to leave it as is and use this template, right? So there, I clicked on it and now it's happening. While you wait, it takes me to the page where things are being generated. Here I can add, notice there is my text. I can add the speaker, who is this one, Megan. Or I've added a clone, notice here, me, apply that voice. And I can also change by adding a new avatar, and I've added my avatar, I've got a few of them. Then I'm going to add that to the scene. And then you can see the branch, how it's branching out. I can add music. Okay, let me make that change. I can remove that one and add this one. Keep the back or remove the back. That's up to me. That everything here can be removed or resized. And I love this feature because you can play around. All right. And we can go there. The title's already there. Okay. And we can add it like that. And background. Notice we can add various backgrounds, lots of them here. You can also search. You can also add, and I really like this, video backgrounds. Isn't that amazing? And you can also search for specific ones, but there are so many. And you can add images. You can describe your image, or you can upload from your computer. But notice here, topics that are related to the content of my video, and they might fit as well. So we're going to kind of leave it as is and see what happens here. Notice, let's go to the main hub. Okay, where now we've got another presenter. You can change that, and we've got her voice. So we can start with mine and continue with hers, or we can go through all of these and change the voice as well as the presenter. Go into new and then add another presenter if we wish, or in my case, add myself as the presenter, but then the presenter won't be standing up. Okay, so we don't get the full size because mine is only a headshot. Okay, that might be something that you want to add, right? So there we are. So we can do that. Notice with the branching too, we might want to change that. Again, we're doing exactly the same thing by adding a presenter and the voice, and we'll go through that. New avatar. And this is my avatar. Of course, we can have various avatars. We don't have to stick to the same one. And I love the fact that we can, again, make so many changes. And there we go. All right. What else can we do here? Well, we can continue with the branching if we want branching. We can also eliminate the branching if we don't want that. Notice here also you can change the shape. So we've got shapes here, various shapes. We can also add text, subtitles, body text. We can record Let's go into the interaction. Notice here, action button. We can add an action button to take us to the video, for example, and the branching and conversation. So if you hit the action button, notice this is for SCORM right now, which is perfect for Moodle. Notice you can also have transitions applied to all scenes. Okay, wipe left, wipe right. So that's an option. Notice smooth, open, close. Notice we'll generate it, but you can also share. I'll show you that once this is done, and I can't wait for this. Notice here as well, you can decide what resolution you want. I always want the highest resolution, but you might want lower for your audience. The location, it's going to be in the library. You can also add a folder. Now, I love this part about the subtitles. Notice optional subtitles, or you can be turned on by on demand. Okay, so there's that option. And then we'll start the generation. So exciting. And here is the video.
Are you ready to discover a specialized AI built for biomedical research? Today, you will learn how this tool automates literature review and scientific analysis with precision and speed.
And notice here, this is the interactive part. Learn why specialized AI is necessary, follow the tutorial steps, explore advanced workflows, and video. So which shall we choose? Notice it takes us where we want to go, so we are in full control.
In this branch, advanced workflows are introduced to elevate your research design.
And then this is the branching part. I love this. I think it's apps. And again, share. You can download it. Interactive videos can be exported only as SCORM, or we can share. And of course, since I'm using Moodle LMS, the SCORM is perfect. Notice again, you copy the link and you can share it. And the advanced settings, you can also set these up. Custom call to action, and you can add text and button. Let me show you what that looks like. Add the URL, and the button is going to be watch and continue. I love the embed code because it's very, very useful. That's it. I want to thank you for watching and have a great day.